Confidence reaches its most powerful form the moment a woman stops seeking approval and begins living fully on her own terms. For Ava Adams, that moment is not loud or dramatic. It is shant, steady, and deeply rooted within her presence. You notice it in the way she carries herself, standing softly in the light, shoulders relaxed yet strong. There is no rush in her movements, no need to prove anything. Each gesture feels intentional, calm, and completely her own. Her eyes reflect something many spend years trying to find, a quiet sense of self-acceptance. Not perfection, but peace. At Glam 50+, we celebrate this kind of beauty. Because true elegance does not begin with appearance, it begins with presence. Ava's life is shaped by simple, meaningful rituals. A book tucked into her bag. A mindful Pilates session, moments of stillness between the noise of everyday life. These are not routines of perfection, but reflections of balance, of alignment, of knowing what truly matters. Many believe confidence must be loud to be noticed. But the most powerful confidence is often silent. It doesn't demand attention. It naturally draws it. Ava embodies this beautifully. She meets life with calm strength, not force. And in doing so, her presence quietly transforms every space she enters. Her style mirrors this clarity. Soft fabrics, refined tones, effortless movement. Nothing excessive, nothing forced, only intention. Yet what stands out the most is not what she wears, but how she feels within it. There is ease in her posture, grace in her expressions, strength in her stillness. Women who reach this level of self-assurance do not need to announce themselves. They become inspiration simply by being. They remind us that elegance deepens with time, that self-respect outshines every passing trend, and that age does not diminish beauty, it refines it. Ava Adams represents this truth with quiet power, not as an image of perfection, but as a reflection of experience, growth, and self-understanding. Because often, a woman's most captivating chapter begins after she has lived enough to truly know herself. And when that understanding settles within, something remarkable happens. Confidence becomes unshakable, beauty becomes authentic, and the world finally sees her, exactly as she has chosen to be.